I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of the Sony LinkBuds Fit earbuds. Okay, you want to do a factory reset if you have issues pairing or connecting to another device, or maybe one side's not working, or one side has static, or both sides has static, and so on. So a factory reset is very simple. Okay, the only thing we want to look for back here is this button right here. So what we want to do is open up the lid, make sure the buds are in there. You're going to press and hold that button and wait like 25-30 seconds. Wait till it starts blinking orange and then the light goes off. Okay, so we'll do it together. Let's factory reset these. Here's the button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm holding now. Just keep holding. Still holding here. Okay, it's blinking blue, but keep holding. We want orange. Okay, we want it to blink orange and then stop blinking orange. So I'm still holding here. Still holding onto that button. There's orange, orange. Now just wait until the light goes off. Okay, it's off. Go ahead and let go, and voila, you just factory reset the LinkBuds Fit. Now just take note really quickly, okay, so before I did the factory reset, I was already paired to this Samsung Galaxy phone here. So if I want to connect back to this phone here, I need to go to settings, go to connections, my Bluetooth connections, so connections, and then make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Now tap on Bluetooth, and you see before it was paired over here. Okay, so what I got to do is click on this little settings for the Bluetooth, and then from here I'm going to tap on unpair, basically deleting it from the pairing list. If you're on an iPhone, it's forget this device instead of unpair. Okay, so I'm going to unpair just like that, and now let me just, if I want to connect back, let me just rescan here, and let's see if it pops up here. Okay, it looks like it's not popping up here. So what I'm going to do is that button here, I'm going to press and hold, but this time I'm going to wait until it blinks blue, okay? So there's the button here. I'm going to press and hold. Just wait till I get a blue blinking light. Still holding. Okay, there we go. So now I manually put it back into pairing mode. If you get a pop-up here, you can connect from right here. If not, you can just go back to the Bluetooth here. Make sure you're scanning it again so you can find under available devices, and you don't have to connect from there, but you can. LinkBuds Fit right there. I should get a pairing request, and voila, now I paired it, connected back to this device. Pretty simple.